In this video, I will explain how to solve 6 minus 13, 1 out of 5. This is 5F from the D-test. Well, the first way is make the 6 a fraction. So you get, of course, 6 out of 1, but we want to use the fraction with a denominator 5. So 6 out of 1, if you multiply it by 5, you get the 5 here. You multiply this by 5 as well. You get 30. So we get 30 out of 5 minus 13, 1 out of 5. Yes? Let's make this fraction. Change this fraction so we get 30 out of 5 minus 13 times 5. 50 is 65. Plus that 1 up there gives me 66 out of 5. So then you get 30 minus 66. Now let's do 30 minus 66 will become negative 36 out of 5. 5 fits in there 7 times. 1, we are left with 1 out of 5, and it's negative. So negative times negative divided by positive gets me negative. Yeah, it gives me negative. Subtract first. Okay. Subtract first the whole numbers. Now let's have a look. I'm looking for something here that I can use. Because the method we used here, of course, we created, we had a mixed number, but we wanted to make sure that the 13 goes into the fraction. All right, so that's what we wanted. All right, now let's look over here. Subtract first the whole numbers. Okay, let's do that. 6 minus 13. That will give me negative 7. Now we need to do negative 7, negative 1 out of 5. So it's negative 7, minus 1 out of 5 gives me indeed negative 7, 1 out of 5. If you don't believe me, you can draw a line with negative numbers, and when you subtract from the negative 7 minus 1 out of 5, it gets even more negative. So this method was way more easier than using this method. Method number 2 is easier than method number 1.